I've stood beside people who carried burdens most folks will never understand. The loud ones always talked about what they destroyed. The quiet ones talked about what they managed to save. That's when I learned character isn't measured by what you can do. It's measured by all the things you choose not to do. I've walked through rooms where silence spoke long before a word was said. A tired smile, a distant stare, 1,000 thoughts inside one head. Most folks see another stranger passing by without a care. We learned every little pattern means there's always something there. Training taught us where to stand, how to move and what to say. Life taught us a harder lesson. Most real battles fade away. Not because somebody conquered, not because somebody won. One calm conversation stopped what might have just begun. Coffee got cold again today. Lunch never made it past one bite. Somebody needed someone listening. It seemed more important tonight. We don't count the fights we fought, we count the ones that disappeared. The angry voice that settled down, the lonely soul who stayed another year. No medals hanging on the wall, no headlines anybody reads, just quiet lives still moving forward. Sometimes that's all success needs. Some carried grief they couldn't name, some carried anger years too long. Some fought battles no one noticed, some just needed to belong. Kids convinced the world had left them, parents barely hanging on. Veterans haunted by old echoes, widows learning to go on. Different stories, same old patterns, different faces, same old pain. People ask me what you do. Truth is, that's never easy to explain. Some days all I really changed was one difficult afternoon. Some days one quiet conversation kept somebody in the room. You never really know the ending, you simply do the good you can. And quietly, without expecting thanks, you help the next one, if you can. Every now and then, the pattern wasn't human. Those were the days nobody ever wanted to explain. A shape where nothing should have stood, footsteps with no one making them. Eyes watching from places no eyes should ever be. You learn that not every mystery needs an answer. Some only ask whether you'll keep walking. Fear can wear 100 faces. Most don't growl, most don't scream. Sometimes fear sits in silence, holding on to one last dream. Sometimes evil kicks the door and sometimes whispers, sometimes smiles. Learning which is standing near you takes a lifetime, mile by mile. Training teaches what to do, character teaches what to leave undone. Real strength isn't proving you can fight, it's making sure nobody ever gives you a reason to. Those are the victories nobody applauds. We don't measure life by battles, we don't measure life by scars. We measure it by hearts still beating underneath forgotten stars. By cups of coffee growing growing colder. Our meals are waited all afternoon by sitting down beside a stranger who simply needed someone to listen. No statue standing in our honor, no stories carved in polished stone, just knowing someone found tomorrow who might not have on their own. People still ask me what I did. I watch for patterns. I listen, even when nobody else did. Sometimes I met ordinary people on ordinary days, carrying extraordinary burdens. Sometimes something else was waiting in the dark. Funny thing is, the monsters never impressed me much. The people who refused to give up, those were the miracles. If I left anything behind, I hope it wasn't a legend. I hope it was a conversation that someone still remembers, long after they've forgotten my name.